What is the value of the expression 2 to the power of 5 minus open parenthesis 72 divided by 18 times 2 close parenthesis then divided by 2 squared? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? 98% of people get tricked and choose the wrong answer. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. At the beginning, many people go straight to the expression instead of parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operations. And they immediately perform the multiplication between 18 and 2 because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they simplify this expression and write it as 2 to the power of 5 minus 72 divided by 36 inside the parentheses, then divided by 2 squared. And the next step, they move on to the division between 72 and 36 and replace this expression with 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 divided by 2 squared. Then, they go to the exponents and simplify this expression to 32 minus 2 divided by 4. And the final step, they go for the division between 2 and 4 because they believe division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, they rewrite this expression as 32 minus 0.5, which finally gives them the answer 31.5. Then, they quickly say that option C is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people when solving this question first go straight to the expression 2 to the power of 5 and simplify this expression to 32 minus 72 divided by 18 times 2 inside the parentheses, then divided by 2 squared. And the next step, they focus on the expression inside the parentheses and solve with the division between 72 and 18. So, they simplify this expression to 32 minus 4 times 2 inside the parentheses, then divided by 2 squared. Then, they perform the multiplication between 4 and 2 inside the parentheses and write this expression as 32 minus 8 divided by 2 squared. Next, they do the subtraction between 32 and 8 and simplify this expression to 24 divided by 2 squared. And the final step, they handle the exponent and write this expression as 24 divided by 4, which ultimately gives them the answer 6. And immediately, they conclude that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, and this expression, first you have an exponent, then a subtraction sign, followed by parentheses, then a division sign, and finally another exponent. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we should start with the parentheses because parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. And inside the parentheses, first we have a division sign and then a multiplication sign. It's very important to note that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, we must start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first we do the division between 72 and 18. And this expression simplified to 2 to the power of 5 minus 4 times 2 inside the parentheses, then divided by 2 squared. And the next step, we handle the multiplication between 4 and 2. And this expression simplified to 2 to the power of 5 minus 8 divided by 2 squared. Next, it's time to handle the exponents because according to the PEMDAS rule, after parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, we can write this expression as 32 minus 8 divided by 4. And the final step, we perform the division between 8 and 4 because division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, this expression simplifies to 32 minus 2, which finally gives us the answer 30. That's great. Option B is the correct answer to this question.